Hello Slay decorators! Welcome to another Decor Lab tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to create another specialty balloon. So this balloon is a bubble balloon with a foam beads inside. Perfect, three-dimensional wow factor. Are you guys ready to do it? Let's go! So, we are taking a 24-inch bubble bubble. We are going to stretch it out. Hold. Wait. Release the air. Stretch. So a little more air in it. So now we are going to put the high float in it. Just one dollop, and then we will distribute it all around the balloon walls from the inside, of course. So we inflated the balloon a little bit, so it was easier to get from this point to this point. This is where you want to be with the tip of the high float tip. And one dollop. Okay. Basically one press on what do you call it? Distributor, dispenser, pump. Okay, and now massage it. Make sure it's all distributed on all the walls of the bubble. All right, looks nice, and now we're going to inflate it again. So here you can see it's all nicely distributed. So we release the air. Now we're going to put the funnel in. Also try to make sure that your funnel doesn't touch the walls much, because the walls are sticky, right? So put in the funnel and it's like sticking to each other. There we go. Putting the funnel in. You also want to make sure the funnel all the way on the bottom. But try not to touch the walls or the bottom of it, because the tip of the funnel will be like gluey and sticky, and that's not what we want. So now we're going to take our foam beads. We have two different kinds, the blue and the purple, lavender, whatever you call it. They're very light, so get ready to be messy. So make sure you do put something under, like under the table or on a table when you work with these. So you put this in the funnel, and they're so lightweight. They barely have any weight in them. Okay, you see, they're like, you can even get all of them out of the bag. And they're not going to go voluntarily down the funnel, so you're gonna have to help them. I have a skewer over here. I'm just gonna push it down through the funnel to push it down inside of the balloon. All right, I'm gonna use our second color, which is blue. As you can see, they go like everywhere, and they like stick to my fingers. Same thing. So it looks like that. Now we're gonna get the funnel out. You see, something's still in the funnel, but it doesn't matter. So now what we're going to do, we are going to distribute those foam beads all over the inside of the balloon. So something like that. See, they're like all over. And now we're going to inflate. So now we are going to pull on our neck, then we're going to twist, 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 and we're going to tie. So now there are several different ways you can do with that balloon. You can add it to a garland. You can, depends on like what type of foam beads you use. You can, like, that will look gorgeous in a garland, right? You can add it to a column, you can add it to a gift. We're going to add it to a base and show it as a centerpiece. So for that, we're going to attach it to 60 to it. So you want to make sure you go over the knot so it stays in place. So just like that. So now we're going to take the quad of the balloons. So those are the 11 inches, a quad, and I'm simply going to tie it on. You probably should have cleaned the table before you do that, but it doesn't matter because I'll show you the trick. So just like that. So now you can put a weight on the bottom to weight it out so it stays nice and sturdy, or not. I'm not gonna. You can also add a sign. So let's add a like little cute sign to the vinyl sign that we created with the Cricut machine right on the top of our boba balloon. So I got a heart. And here you have it, another specialty balloon. This time we filled with the foam beads. If you want to see more specialty balloon tutorials, make sure you check out our other videos. And I will see you in the next one.